Okay, so this question is degree of array. So given the non-negative integer array, and the degree is going to be represent the maximum frequency, and the return is going to be the smallest possible length for the maximum frequency. So if they have the same, return the smallest one, smallest length. So this is straightforward enough. So we want to first find out the first number occur on the array, and basically we also need to keep track of the frequency, keep track the nums frequency, and then we need to know the third is going to be max frequency at the current position, and then update the maximum the smallest possible length at the same maximum frequency. So update the small length at maximum frequency. So pretty much idea. So how do we get the first occurrence array? Traversing, we can using the HashMap put if absent. So put if absent is going to be represent if this num is not in the map, I put it. If there's if I if I have another array, I'm going to say this array. Sorry, if I have another nums in the map, I'm going to say, okay, so this num is already in the map. I'm going to ignore. So only record the first nums, the integer. All right, so you have two map. One is the first occurrence, the other one is frequency, and then you just keep doing the logic. So let's start coding. So I'm going to say HashMap. The key is going to be integer. Value is going to be integer as well. Key represent the value in the nums, and then value represent the frequency for the frequency HashMap. Alright. I have another one. It's going to be called first occurrence, new HashMap. So key is going to be the value in the nums array, and then value is going to be the first position inside the nums array. Inside the in array. Sorry. So here we go. So we need a index. So you have to declare the for loop in I, and we need to know my current maximum degree represent starting at 0, and also the length, right? So I'm going to call result. Alright, so I'm going to return something later. Okay, so first occurrence is going to be using the put if absent nums I at I location, right? And then every single time frequency is going to be what? Update the get or default the current frequency count. So get or default is actually meant if the nums that's not in the map, I initiate the value to 0 and a +1 at the end because I'm using the put. Alright, so if the count, so it's going to be get nums I, if this is greater than the max degree, so the frequency count is greater than the maximum degree, I'm going to update the maximum degree to the current frequency, and also update my current the length, right? So if this is, okay, this might be not good reason. So here is it. So I'm currently at this position I, right? So I minus this guy. So this guy is what? The first occurrence, right? It has to be a first occurrence. So first occurrence, CCO bracket, num side. So pretty much it, right? So I will make sure I explain why do you keep this format, because this is base index 0, but when you want to return, it has to be what? The length, right? So it has to be base index 1, right? So you would add 1 at the end. Alright, the next one is going to be what? Similar things, but equal. That's just because your task to find the smallest possible length of a subarray nums that has the same degree, right? If you have the same degree, you want to find out the minimum, right? The minimum between the original you have and the current nums, right? Current nums. Okay, let's run it. Yes, submit. Alright, so for time and space, this is space. It's going to be all of n, right? You put every single value into the map. And this is time. Time is going to be all of n. You traverse every single one of the value inside an array. Put if absent, all of 1, get or default, all of 1, get all of 1, max.min, all of 1. So the worst case for time is all of n, and space is all of n as well. And I'll see you later, bye.